If you are faced with having to replace your driveway, nothing says you have to use the same material. Now, one option that's even cheaper than asphalt is to use gravel, rock, or some type of limestone. Now, just like with any other driveway, you want to make sure that the base that it's sitting on is very compacted. So you may want to use some type of material that'll pack very well, and a mechanical tamper or compactor that'll really pack it out well before you put 4 to 5 inches of gravel on top of that. Now, if you want a good clean edge, then you may need to use some kind of edging like a landscape material or treated wood or even some bricks, but this works out fairly well so that your gravel and your grass is pretty much level. Makes it very easy to keep it mowed, and in order to rake any of the gravel, very easy to maintain the gravel itself. And one of the best advantages of gravel is it drains very easily so that you don't have any problems with drainage, which, as you know, can cause a lot of damage.